Hello everyone, I am Thomas from 911 Travel English Podcast. Welcome you come back with us today. Our story is about a very small island with a very big heart. Moyenne Island. Moyenne Island is located in the beautiful country of Seychelles. In the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, the island is very small. It is only about 9.9 hectares, which is about the size of 14 football fields. But even though it is small, its story is very special. Many years ago, Moyenne Island was almost empty. There were only some trees and wild plants. Few people cared about this little island. In 1962, a man named Brendan Grimshaw visited the island. He was a newspaper editor from United Kingdom. When he saw the island, he felt something special. He decided to buy the island and live there. Grimshaw did not want to build big hotels or luxury resorts. Instead, he wanted to protect nature. For many years, he worked hard on the island with the help of a local man named René Laffortune. Together, they planted more than 16,000 trees. Slowly, the island became green and full of life. Animals also returned to the island. Today, visitors can see giant tortoises walking slowly on the beach. These animals are famous in Seychelles. Grimshaw also created small walking paths, a tiny chapel, and even a small cemetery on the island, because of his work. Moyenne Island became a national park in 2009. It is now part of the Sainte Anne Marine National Park. Brendan Grimshaw lived on the island for many years until he died in 2012. Some people say he was offered $50 million to sell the island, but he refused. He believed the island should stay natural and protected. Today, tourists can visit Moyenne Island for a day trip. They can walk through the forest, see the tortoises, and learn about the man who saved this tiny island. Moyenne Island teaches us an important lesson. One person can make a big difference for nature. Even a very small island can have a very big story.